What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Well, I always kind of say I don't have enough time to do things, and today's an extra day. It's February 29th for the leap year, so I'm going to get in here and cut all this asparagus back. I see some weeds, pull them, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of compost and some worm castings, and then another mulch on top, so these will be ready to start producing in the next few months. I have to put a cage because the squirrels, they go crazy and dig all through the bed. Yeah, so see, here's some of the grass, the weed. I'm gonna see if I can just pull this. Nope, not yet. So what I'll do is first cut everything kind of low to this cage, and then I'll be able to lift the cage out of the way. So all this went ahead and fell from the trees. Basically anything green grass, things like that are coming out, and then I'm going to trim these down closer to the soil level. And for right now, I'm just removing that mulch layer. There's the start of a tree. Oops. There's the start of a new piece of asparagus. So, right here, here, and here, the asparagus is starting to, I guess, wake up. So it's a good thing I get the chance to clear this out right now and go ahead and add some extra nutrients for them. Try to get the roots up as best as I can. Like I said, anything that I see that's green, try to remove that. See, there's another new piece right there. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and bring you back once I get this bed cleaned up. Yeah, so here it is. There's some growth starting right here, there. Kind of a lot more back in this corner, and then right up in here. I'm going to kind of amend it a little bit too. I have my ground eggshells. I have some of the pulverized azomite. And then I have my worm castings. I added one handful over all the crowns, and now I'm going to go get some compost to top the bed off. Okay, so I just dug up some compost, and all I did was run the lumps through my hand like that, and it broke down pretty nicely. Every time I look at a different angle, I keep seeing weeds. And the compost is loaded with worms. see all these worms. Then my final thing I'm going to do is cover this with some leaves. So the leaves are a good mulch. As they break down, they're going to help to release minerals back into the garden bed. And then if you kind of seen, as with the compost, as I was putting it on, I was trying to kind of loosen them up so I don't have a real big thick layer that it forces the asparagus to have to fight to try to get through. This is nice and loose, so it should be able to poke right up and through. Then I go ahead, and place my squirrel protection back on. And an added bonus, it'll help kind of support and keep those leaves in the garden. Well, thanks for checking out this video on winterizing / springizing the asparagus bed. Like I said, it was kind of cool. I always suggest or say it would be great to have some extra time, and today's an extra day due to the leap year, so I was able to get this accomplished. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop them down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.